Everyone, on today's video, the last couple bites of Evelina's famous corned beef. So basically you cook the corned beef and then you mix up Coca-Cola, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and a glaze, and you put it on top. And then you broil it and it gets all crispy and it's so amazing. It tastes so good. Brings back memories. Let's have another bite. Let's have a bite of the corned beef. Evelina's famous corned beef. I'm gonna slice a little slice. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's good stuff, man. All right. Now it's time to get ready. We got a nice evening catering order. A quick $32. So yeah, the catering app, it's pretty good. I had an order this morning, 36 bucks. Got one tonight, 32 bucks. Bam, bam. Once you get started with the app a little bit more, then they start giving you more money per offer. And I'm gonna start raking in that dough. But yeah, it's definitely a little bit better than like DoorDash and stuff like that. More effort, but better for your time, for sure. Hey, I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Remember, do something good with your life, you know, something that makes you feel good. If you don't feel good, what's the point? Unless it's for your family or yourself. So yeah, y'all, stay healthy, stay happy. Peace.